Hey y'all, today we are not doing any makeup. I am having a black girl friendly segment on my channel today, and we are going to be talking about sunscreen. Okay, you guys, sunscreen is so important, and in the past I haven't been really good at using a sunscreen in my skin routine, and that's not good at all because we go outside every day almost, and on top of that, I recently found out, and I think you guys can quote me on this from my Sephora haul, that we should even be wearing sunscreen inside. Because when you sit by a window, the sun shines through and therefore your skin is getting all those sun rays still, maybe not as much, but you need the sunscreen, okay, you guys? So, y'all, I'm pretty sure you guys can guess by the thumbnail and the title of the video. I am going to be trying two viral products. Well, one of them I've already been using and I really like, but other than that, yeah, I'm going to be chatting about two viral products from TikTok today. Today's products are the Summer Fridays sunscreen and the Glow Recipe sunscreen. You guys, now, like I said before, I've already used Summer Fridays before, and for me, I love you guys, and I for sure think that this one is black girl friendly. But what I'm going to do today is talk about each products, let you guys know ingredients and just what these products claim to do, and then I'm pretty much going to apply one sunscreen on one side of the face and the other sunscreen on the other, so I'll be sure to separate and let you guys know which sunscreen that I'm using on which side, okay? So, the first sunscreen that I want to chat about today is the Summer Fridays sunscreen, just because I'm familiar with it and I've been using it. So, let's start from the very beginning on what the product is even called. This is the Summer Fridays Shade Drops Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Mineral Milk Sunscreen. So of course, you guys know how I'm going to be doing this. I have my Sephora app open and I just want to read a little bit about the highlights for the product. It says the product is vegan, it's categorized as clean at Sephora, which we love. It says it's reef safe SPF, it has a natural finish, and the product is also fragrance free. So if you have issues with like the smells of certain products, which I know happens quite often with people, then allegedly this product will be really good for you. So let's talk about the product really quick. It says it's a lightweight, reef-friendly SPF 30 mineral sunscreen that helps shield skin from UV rays and leaves skin with a soft, natural-looking finish. As far as skin type, apparently this is for all skin types. So normal, dry, combination, and oily, it's hit all four of the categories. I am mostly combination, but leaning more towards oily, I would say, just because my nose and like my T-zone can tend to be a bit of a grease ball. But other than that, it says skin concerns are dryness and dullness, and the formulation is a lightweight serum. So also, I think it's really important to just chat about the key ingredients, just so you guys know what exactly it is you're putting on your skin. So the highlighted ingredients are zinc oxide, and this is supposed to shield your skin from damaging UV rays and is gentle enough for sensitive skin. So sensitive skin girls, you might want to try it out. And then it says that it has squalene, and that leaves the skin appearing softer, smoother, and plumped up, which I can attest to that because after I do my skin routine and I put the sunscreen on, I feel like it just completes the whole routine. So that's really good. It also states that it has an antioxidant complex of vitamin E and ethyl ferulate. I could not pronounce that word, but that's supposed to help protect the skin from free radical damage. So that's also a really good thing. So when I was doing research on sunscreens that I wanted to try, I kind of was confused on what even a mineral sunscreen was. So I had to look it up because I just didn't know off the top of my head. So if you're wondering what a mineral sunscreen is, it basically sits on top of the skin and blocks out the sun rays in that fashion. On Google, it says that it uses either zinc oxide or an ingredient like titanium dioxide to block these rays. And one of the key ingredients in the Summer Friday sunscreen is actually zinc oxide. It says it has 9.40%. So that's awesome. It also says it helps prevent sunburn if used as directed with other sun protection measures. If used as directed with other sunscreen protection measures, it can decrease the risk of skin cancer and early skin aging by the sun. So super important. And so the last thing I want to mention before I move into the Glow Recipe sunscreen is the price of the sunscreen, because I know you guys are probably like, well, how much is it? So it is $36, which to me, that's on the high end. Obviously, it's from Sephora. Well, that's where I purchased it. I'm sure you can purchase it on the Summer Fridays website as well, but I purchased from Sephora. But yeah, this is on the higher end. That's just in my opinion. Y'all might not feel that way, but yeah, there probably are drugstore sunscreens as well, but I haven't used any and I haven't found one that works for me. Oh, and now that I mention it, like I said, I've used this product before and there is no white cast when I use this product. So that alone is perfect. Next up, I'm going to be chatting about the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen. I did go ahead and open up the Sephora app again. I have the Glow Recipe sunscreen pulled up and I noticed that it doesn't really have any highlights, which that's not a problem. I can just go straight into what exactly the product is. So it says it is also a gentle mineral and chemical sunscreen that hydrates, visibly boosts skin's glow, and evens the appearance of skin tone over time with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and aloe. For me, like I said, I haven't tried this product yet, but I'm excited to. But the thought of just knowing what a mineral sunscreen is and a chemical sunscreen is, that really attracts me to this product, because not only is it absorbing into the skin, but it's still blocking on the top layer as well. So to me, it sounds really good. And on top of that, aloe in a sunscreen sounds truly amazing. So next thing I want to talk about is what skin types it's for. This product also says it's for all skin types. It doesn't exactly say all skin types, but it says normal, dry, combination, and oily. To me, that's all skin types, because what's the other skin type? I mean, like, you guys let me know in the comments below, what are the other skin types, because maybe I just don't know. But it also states that the skin concerns are dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. So that's another good thing too. It's also a lightweight cream, so it shouldn't be too heavy, because when I use sunscreen, I definitely go through my entire skin routine and then put my sunscreen on. That's just the way I do it. So let's talk about some of those highlighted ingredients. It does say that it has niacinamide, vitamin B3, and antioxidants, visibly reduces hyperpigmentation, the look of dullness, and the appearance of pores. So that is what the niacinamide is in there for. It also states that it has hyaluronic acid, and this is supposed to hydrate the skin by retaining 1,000 times its weight in water, and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Also, aloe, which we all love. It says that it soothes and hydrates the skin and is rich in antioxidants, enzymes, vitamin A, and vitamin C. And to me, having aloe in a sunscreen just makes sense, because I think like that would be something that you would want to put on your skin to prevent like it burning, or even if you do have like a little bit of burn, it would just help soothe the skin. That's just my opinion. So let's chat about what else we need to know about this product. So it says this lightweight glow boosting daily SPF 50 gives broad spectrum protection with a blend of mineral and chemical sunscreen actives. It is a reef safe means without octinoxate and oxybenzone, and features niacinamide to visibly brighten and improve the appearance of hyperpigmentation. The soothing aloe and hydrating hyaluronic acid also gives a dewy finish. It says it's ophthalmologist and dermatologist tested, safe for sensitive skin, and also non-comedogenic, which I don't really know what that means, but hopefully it's a good thing. So last but not least, I do just want to talk about the price of this product as well. So this is another product that I purchased off of Sephora. I'm sure you can get it on the Glow Recipe website as well. However, this product is $35. To me, it's still on the high end. Anything over $30 for one product to me is luxury. Even getting into the 20s is kind of like, like, girl, you cost a lot. But yeah, it is $35, so I believe that's $1 cheaper than the Summer Fridays sunscreen, which is like $1. If the Summer Fridays is the best one, then you know it is what it is. I'll pay the extra dollar for it. But I guess we're gonna kind of find out and see what's really going on with the sunscreen. So the Glow Recipe one is going to be a first impressions, and like I said, I use and really like the Summer Fridays already. So let's try out these viral sunscreens, okay, you guys? If you're wondering why my hair looks like this, I did just wash it because I gotta go to work tomorrow. So but I am going to put my hair back, at least get it out of my face, just because I want you guys to be able to obviously see my face because I'm about to apply the sunscreen. So just clipping it back. All right, you guys, so I'm doing Summer Fridays on this side and I'm going to be doing Glow Recipe on this side. So first up, I'm just going to shake. I just have a habit of shaking like all products, so I would assume you should shake this as well. So I am going to pop this sucker open. And I'm only using a little just because I'm only applying this to one side. So as you can see, it looks like there's going to be a white cast. However, I'm going to keep applying it. And like I said before, I did do my skin routine just before this. So I heard this product is drying, which I was like, no way, there's no way this product is drying. I've been using it this whole time. Well, obviously everybody's skin is different. However, one thing that I found is that people thought that this product is really drying because they were using it on its own, which like, I don't do that. Like I have a skin routine and I do it almost every day just because, you know, I feel like that's what I'm supposed to do. I don't know. All right, you guys, so I have rubbed in the Summer Fridays on this side of my face. What are you guys thinking? I personally really like it, and on top of that, it works with makeup. Like, I've used this before makeup and it just works for me. So with that being said, it's time to demo our Glow Recipe. Like I said, I'm going to be taking the Glow Recipe on this side of the face. So shaking this up as well. And so I've never used this and it looks a little clumpy. I'm a little bit bothered by that because why is it clumpy? It's kind of weird, but just giving it a little smell. It does have it smells kind of like chemical, but like they're still trying to do like the watermelon thing. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the face. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more because I feel like I need a little bit more to really test it out. So based off a first quick glance at both sides of my face, I really don't see much of a difference. They both feel, you know, the same. I wouldn't say either one is drying, and maybe that's because I have moisturizer up underneath them. I mean, I go through an entire routine like I said before. If you're interested in that routine, I do have a skin routine that's up to date on my channel. You can go check that out. But yeah, both of these feel fine. I was a little bit nervous for the Glow Recipe one just because I saw a little clumpiness, and I want to know what that's about because I shook the product up and everything. So I don't know, maybe it just comes out like that. But yeah, I personally am feeling both of the sunscreens. Now, I do want to know you guys' opinion. If you guys have tried these sunscreens, did you like it or did you hate it? And if you hated it, why? I really want to know because maybe it's something that I haven't quite noticed yet. So definitely tell me in the comments below your thoughts about these two sunscreens, or if you're going to decide to purchase them or not. Also, are these sunscreens black girl friendly? What do you guys think? Personally, I'm feeling like they are, but black women and black men come in many shades and skin tones. So what might work for me might not work for somebody else in their shade range / skin tone. So that is very important. Please take reviews on YouTube that you see with a grain of salt. And it's important really to try products out for yourself. I just feel like that was one of the main reasons why I wanted to get in YouTube, because I wanted to see other people like myself, because I feel like there are many times where you use YouTube as a search engine and we don't always see people that look like us. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to do more black girl friendly segments on my channel. I'd love to personally, because I just feel like representation is so important to us. With that being said, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you give my video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye you guys.